MRT for the first time in Jakarta. So they just opened this up in March earlier this year, 2019. So we're gonna try it out and see how it goes. Let's go! So we're here right now in Block M. And we're going up to Bundaran HI. It'll cost 8,000 rupiah.
Oh, it looks pretty new in here. So Ivana, so far?
So far, it's easy to get in.
Very clean.
Easy to figure out.
Incredibly clean. Looks all brand new.
Wow.
Very exciting.
Yeah. So this card costs 25,000 rupiah, which is like $2.50, and then you can top it up and fill it up with more money as you go. So you can use this for the bus, MRT, or LRT. So get one of these.
Metro Pass.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, quick, Ivana. Some quick commentary of the subway. I mean the MRT. What did you notice?
I like it. It was pretty quick, fast, clean, efficient,
quiet.
Yeah.
It's clearly new. The one in Toronto is really loud. Smooth ride. I like the bright colors. Bright green, bright blue,
Yellow.
bright yellow.
And they also have English, so you won't miss your stop if you.
Right. The speaker is in English as well. Pretty good. I mean, I don't know what else to comment on the subway. Pretty good. The MRT, I should say. Okay, now we're gonna get on the bus and head to Chinatown.
Yay.
Let's go. Boom!
Yeah.
There you have it.
That's it. We have
Jakarta's new That was a bus. Maybe half broken bus.
Wow.
So there you have it. We're in Chinatown now. We're gonna go for lunch with Ivana's aunt.
Yay.
Very exciting. So there you have the new subway.
Yes.
Cheap too. Another thing we didn't mention. To go as far as we went, which is 6 stops, 80 cents Canadian.
80 cents Canadian.
So it's cheap, it's new, it's clean, and there you have it.
Better than getting stuck in traffic. So
Yes,
take the
fair.
subway.
Take the subway. Okay, thanks for
Alright.
watching, guys. We're shrinking in the corner now, magically. Wow! check below us for our most recent upload. You can see what bus we're hopping. And then on the left, some of our other videos. Please subscribe because then you'll see all of our videos.
What? We love you.
Cool, later guys.
Bye.